Before getting into this video, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification to get my videos first to you when I upload my videos. Hello friends, welcome to another new video from Health and Techie. Today I am going to show you how to grow strawberries in hanging baskets at your home. You can grow strawberries as you can see here, as I am growing in my garden. You can use any of the waste baskets to grow strawberries like this. This is one of the very best method to grow strawberries at your home. You can see the strawberries are already flowered, and also you can see small strawberries in that. Let me start. The first important thing is the site selection of your strawberry plant. You have to plant the strawberries wherever you are getting sufficient amount of sunlight. Let's say about 8 to 12 hours of sunlight in a day. The another important thing is the selection of your containers. You can select any of the waste containers from your home, and you can even use waste plastic bags as well for the planting of your strawberries. The important thing is that you should have to put some drainage holes under it to drain the water out. Another aspect is the selection of your soil. You have to use some loose soil for this, because if you are using the normal garden soil, it will get heavier with the soil and the water. So it is better to use loose soil for growing strawberries in hanging containers. Then for planting the strawberries, shake the soil off the roots of the strawberry plants and gently tuck them into the planting holes. Snip off any brown leaves, runners, roots and top up with the more soil mix. Once the planting is completed, you can hang them in any area of your garden. You can see as I have hanged them in a papaya tree in my garden. You have to hang them wherever you are getting sufficient amount of sunlight for the plants. Then you have to water these plants twice a day. You have to water them very slowly and very lightly. If you overwater these plants, the weight of the containers will be more, and it will affect the stability of your containers. You have to add a organic fertilizers at planting and a compost tea when the plant starts to flower. This is how you can grow strawberry plants in hanging baskets at your home. If you like this video, hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.